Every single night, you do something remarkable. You close your eyes and embark on a journey. This journey is called sleep. But what really happens when you're snoozing away? It's not just a simple off switch for your body and brain. Oh no, it's actually a very busy time. Your brain is hard at work, performing maintenance tasks, like a cleaning crew, like a librarian, tidying up, filing away important information, getting you ready for the brand new day ahead. So while you think you're just lying there, your brain is one of the busiest places on the planet. Sleep isn't one long, continuous state. It happens in cycles: light sleep, deep sleep, REM sleep. REM, shakes rapid eye movement. Now that we know our brains are active during sleep, let's talk about the shows they produce. Dreams. So, what is a dream? At its simplest, a dream is a collection of images, thoughts, feelings. They can be fun, exciting, strange, a little scary. Sometimes they feel incredibly real, like you're actually living through the experience. Other times they're completely bizarre, like flying pigs or talking teacups. Think of it as your brain's own movie studio, creating films every single night with you as the star. Not all dreams are created equal. We have different kinds. The most common are regular dreams, a mix of people you know, places you've been, random nonsensical events, all mashed together into one odd story. Then there are nightmares. Nightmares cause strong feelings of fear, terror, anxiety. You might wake up with your heart pounding, feeling shaken. Often these are your brain working through worries and stress from the day. Besides dreams and nightmares, there's something called dream imagery. It's not a full-blown story, more like a quick flash of pictures, feelings. Ever been about to fall asleep and felt like you were falling, then jerk awake? Those are hypnagogic jerks. They're part of the strange and wonderful world of sleep. These flashes are like trailers before the main movie, giving you a little sneak peek of your brain's creative power. So, from epic adventures to terrifying monster chases, your brain can produce a huge range of experiences while you sleep. Let's get down to the science. What is your brain doing when it's dreaming? REM sleep. Certain parts of your brain light up. EEG machines measure brainwaves, and scientists can actually see this. Parts responsible for emotions, sensations, memories become very active, sometimes as active as wakefulness. Your brain creates a whole world with sights and sounds from inside your head. Amygdala gets a real workout during REM. Amygdala, your brain's emotion center. It handles fear. It handles happiness. That's why dreams feel so powerful. Dream happy, dream terrified. That's amygdala over time. Your brain runs emotional simulations. It creates stories and reacts with real feeling while you sleep. It's a virtual reality, powered by biology. Not all areas are active. Prefrontal cortex takes a break. It's right behind your forehead. It's in charge of logic. It's in charge of rational thought. It's in charge of decision-making. It's the part saying, people can't fly, or that doesn't make sense. With it less active, dream worlds ignore reality. You might breathe underwater or chat with a historical figure. The logical gatekeeper is on a coffee break. Every night you get this setup. Emotional plus memory centers firing, creating vivid experiences. Logical part snoozes, so impossible things happen. That's the recipe for weird, wonderful dreams. It's not random noise. It's a pattern of brain activity that builds worlds from your memories, hopes, and fears. So we know what dreams are and what the brain is doing. But the million-dollar question is, why? Why do we have these nightly movies playing in our heads? Science doesn't have a single answer. It's probably a mix of theories. A person flying, a student taking a test, someone running through a forest. One popular idea: dreaming helps us process emotions. When you experience something stressful during the day, dreaming about it that night might be your brain's way of dealing with those feelings in a safe space, helping you feel better by morning. When you experience something happy during the day, dreaming about it that night might be your brain's way of dealing with those feelings in a safe space, helping you feel better by morning. Another powerful theory is that dreams are essential for memory and learning. Remember how your brain is like a librarian sorting through the day's information? Dreaming might be a key part of that process. As you dream, your brain could be replaying events from the day, strengthening connections for important memories, and getting rid of the unimportant stuff. For example, if you're learning a new skill, like playing the guitar, dreaming about it can actually help you get better. Let's consider an older, but still fascinating idea. Some scientists have proposed that dreams are a kind of threat simulation theater. Our ancestors used dreams to practice responses to danger. Dreaming about being chased could have prepared them to react quickly. Today, nightmares about being late for an exam or failing at a presentation could be our brain's way of running similar what-if scenarios. Finally, some researchers think dreams might just be a side effect of all the other important work the brain is doing at night. As your brain sorts memories, random firing in the cortex creates images and sensations, and the storytelling part tries to weave them into a coherent narrative. In this view, dreams are just the screensaver while the supercomputer runs its maintenance programs. Each theory gives us a different piece of the puzzle. Together they suggest dreams help us feel, learn, and adapt. For all that we've learned, the world of dreams is still one of science's greatest frontiers. It is full of mystery and unanswered questions. For instance, why do some people remember their dreams almost every night, while others swear they never dream at all? We know everyone dreams, but the ability to recall those dreams varies wildly. Is it related to personality, sleep quality, or something else entirely? Scientists are still working to figure out the exact mechanisms behind dream recall, and the answer remains just out of reach for now. Another big mystery is the meaning of our dreams. While we know that dreams often pull from our daily lives and emotions, is there a deeper meaning to the specific symbols we see? A dream about a falling tooth could be related to stress for one person, but for another, it might be triggered by a memory of a trip to the dentist. Science tends to focus on function over fixed symbols. Scientists are also exploring lucid dreaming. When you become aware you're dreaming, sometimes even controlling it, like deciding to fly or change the scenery. Researchers study lucid dreamers to probe consciousness itself.